Good evening everyone, especially to Ms. Ma'am Noreen A. Perez. This presentation is all about our research study, and the title of this research study is Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Pasig Online Job Portal. This will be presented by my other groupmates, which are Trixie May Bukad, Florence Guillar Carino, and I, Lance Ryan R. Bautista. So, the content of this presentation will be discussed in sequence. First, the introduction. Second, the statement of the problem. And last, the scope and limitation. So, let's proceed to the introduction. This study addresses the rising unemployment and underemployment among IT graduates in the Philippines, with unemployment reaching 4.7% in 2024. As reported by Philippine Statistics Authority or the PSA, research highlights skill mismatches, high expectations, and inadequate career guidance as major factors. To bridge this gap, the study evaluates the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Pasig or the PLP online job portal tailored for the College of Computer Studies, the CCS department. This system incorporates education technology to provide personalized career guidance, enhance career readiness, and assist faculty in supporting students' career planning. By aligning with modern job market's demand, it aims to benefit students and evaluates PLP educational services. Excuse me. So, additional to this information, based on the research by Kenneth Nwanwa-Ohe and Rolien Brink, high employment among ICT graduates remains prominent issue. And also, they said also that their increasing concern among ICT graduates find themselves unemployed. Additionally, according to Jinsei Chu et al., highlight that many students struggle with employment due to high personal expectation and mismatch between their skill and job market demand. And this Pamantasan ng Lungsod online job portal will have huge impact in academic performance of the students, also within the school. It can track the progress of the student if the student is ready for the employment or eligible for the employment. And excuse me. And this research will be the the foundation of the students when the students graduates in the PLP. Like this can be the references for their employment in the future. So let's move to the next content of this presentation, which is the statement of the problem, will be discussed by Trixie May Bukad.
And for the statement of the problem, first, the general problem is each year thousands of students graduates, yet many of them face the same struggle finding a job related to their field of study, and this often leads to unemployment or underemployed, where graduates are working in roles that do not utilize their skills or qualification. And for the student, the PLP, or specifically College of the Computer Studies, CCS, this is a growing concern. We identify that there is no dedicated platform to bridge the gap between their skills and job opportunities. And to address this, we propose developing an online job portal specifically for the student of this department. And this project aims to solve the problem of student employment and underemployed by improving job matching, career guidance, and employability skills. And for for the specific problem, to dive deeper into the issue, we identified four specific problems that this system needs to address, and these are the questions we aim to answer. First, how can we develop a system that helps students find jobs related to their studies? And this is the core challenge. Many graduates end up in roles that are unrelated to their field, and often by this lack access to right job opportunities or platforms, and our system will focus on bridging this gap by tailoring job listing to their qualification and skills. And for the second bullet, how can we design a system that identifies the key factors contributing to unemployment? Unemployment isn't just about lack of jobs. There are deeper factors involved like mismatched skills, lack of experience, or even poor career guidance. And our system will analyze these factors to provide meaningful insights for both student and educators. And for the third bullet, how can we provide student with career guidance based on their specific skills? Students often don't know how to market themselves or which career path align with their strength. And our system will offer personalized guidance, helping them understand their potential and find the right opportunities. And for the last bullet, how will machine learning be implemented to assess the employability of the student? Machine learning will play a crucial role by analyzing user data and such as skills, experience, and preferences to provide accurate job and recommendations and improve overall employability. And for the for next slide, may I call on Mr. Florence Carini.
Good evening po, Ma'am Noreen. Sa scope and the limitation po natin, may kita dito yung development ng aming portal at yung mga features niya. So, yung aming web-based online job portal is, yung main platform niya is yung mga main platform ng mga end users, which is yung mga students ng PLP at yung administrator. So, next po natin, yan po. Makikita po natin bawat isa ng ang mga features ng ating portal. So, login and sign up accounts. Verify users institutional email address. Meaning po, ang makakapasok lang po sa aming portal ay yung mga may email ng galing sa PLP. So, next is progress tracking. May kita dito, mamamonitor po natin yung progress ng isang estudyante sa kanyang paggamit ng portal. Yung bale, may kita doon yung kada makatapos ng assessment, may kita doon sa progress niya kung ano yung result. So, next is real-time notification. May kita po yung may notification kung may kita doon sa website, sa portal. May kita yung mga recommendations, yan po, mga updates, yan. Tapos, profile management. Meron din po tayong profile management which pwede nating kontrolin kung ikaw po yung user or admin. So, kung control mo siya, mapapalitan mo siya ng, kunwari kung gusto mo magpalit ng passwords, ng emails, kung magbago man yung email nyo po sa PLP. So, next is activity log. Activity log po is para po sang reports na may kita na kung ano po yung recent na ginawa nyo po sa portal. So, next po is password recovery. Dito po kung nakalimutan nyo po yung password nyo sa portal natin, pwede po natin i-reset yan. Tapos, next po is evaluation feature. The portal will send feedback. So, may babalik na feedback sa'yo na kung ano nangyari sa career assessment na tinake niya po. So, next po tayo. Ayan. Email verification and filtering. So, dito po, mabiverify yung email natin po. Gaya na sabi ko kanina, exclusive lang po siya sa PLP. So, sa performance alert naman, gaya rin po ng sinabi ko kanina, may notification po tayo sa ating progress. Next po. Next po, ma'am. Ma'am, next po tayo. Ayan, next na. So, several factors. Ibig sabihin dito po nakikita yung yung limits, yung mga limitation ng aming portal. So, may nakabulit po sila, lima po yan. The portal. Una po, the portal is limited. So, kumbaga, kailangan lang po natin ng internet. Kapag wala po tayong internet, hindi po natin ma-access yung portal. Pangalawa po is accessible lang po sa web-based. Bale, kailangan nyo po ng browser tulad ng Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Edge, etc. po. Pangatlo, the online job portal requires pamantasan gaya ng sabi ko po kanina, kailangan po PLP email address. Pangapat, creating an account implements 1:1, wherein every account is only accessible to end users who are active in university. So bale, kapag graduate na po kayo, made-deactivate na po yung account nyo. Kaya po 1:1, kung baga po, ay isang email po. Next, panglima po, if the end users graduated from the user, yan, gaya po na sabi ko kanina, pag graduate po sa malulose na po yung access nila sa personal PLP, therefore, mawawala na rin po yung information nila dun sa online portal na website po natin. So, next. Thank you for listening. So, bale, de-demonstrate ko na po yung system namin. Share screen ko lang po. Wait lang po Ayan po. So, bale may kita nyo po dito. Ito po, yan. Bale, ito pong nakikita nyo ngayon dito is in development pa lang po. Hindi pa po siya yung pinaka-final project, pinaka-final. So, bale, ito po yung landing page ng ating end users. May kita nyo po dyan. Yan, carousel po tawag. Yan. Tapos pagbaba po dito, yan, may about po tayo yung kung overview ng features ng aming portal. Yan. Dito po, about PLP, yan po, yung aming mahal na paaralan, pamantasan ng lungsod ng Pasig. So, ang contact natin, may kita po sa footer. So, kung mag-sign in ka po, ayan, mayroon po tayong form dito, sign in. Bale, kapag wala po kayong account, sign up po kayo. Yan, lalagay pangalan nyo, email address ng PLP, password, then sign up. So, bale, may account na po tayo. So, lalagin ko na lang po. Ayan po, may kita po natin. So, bali, dito po yung pinaka-dashboard ng aming PLP online job portal. So, may kita dito yung profile overview, assessment result po sa career, yung overview ng progress and recommendations. So, punta po tayong profile. Pwede nyo pong i-update. So, bali, kung gusto nyo i-update, yan po. Are you sure man to edit your details? Yes po. Try po natin edit. Lawrence Gillier. Pag sinave po, do you want to save the changes? Yan po, ma-change na po siya. Next po natin, assessment. Dito po tayo pinaka features ng aming online job portal, which is the career assessment. Dito po i-assess yung kakayanan nyo sa isang bagay. Kung mahilig po kayo kung course nyo po is BSIT, gusto nyo po malaman yung saan po kayo magaling, yan po. So, hindi pa po namin na pipinish yung product ng pero in development naman. Next is progress. Yan po, may kita yung mga progress, bawat skills. Tas dito po, recommendations. Halimbawa, yan po, kung nakapag-assist na po kayo, dito po may kita yung mga nirecommend sa yung career. Magaling ka daw pala sa software engineering. Yan po. Sa guidance, may kita dito yung mga comment ng mga professor. Pwede po sila mag-comment dyan. So, or pinindot po natin, may kita natin yung comment ng ating professor. So, bale, overall, yun pa lang po ang product namin. And may admin din po kami kung tatanungin nyo po. Ayan po, admin, sign in, may sign up din po yan. Bale, sign in tayo. Game. So yan po, no, nakalagin na po tayo. Unang makikita, profile po ng admin. Makikita po dito yung admin management, yung mga admins na naka-sign up sa ating portal, and mga users. Yan po. Pwede pong i-update yan kung gusto nila. Hindi pa po yan finished products, in development pa lang po yan. Gaganda pa po yan. So dito po audit table reports. Yan po. So logout na po natin.
That's our presentation of our research study, and thank you for listening po, and thank you for your time. So let's go.
Thank you po.
Thank you, ma'am.